Hello everyone. Here I have created this app. What this app basically does is that it converts our speech to text file. Let's double click on this one. Okay, it says that welcome to this speech to text converter app. Press the speak button below and say something on the microphone. Okay. Hello. You cannot type at the same speed as you speak. Okay, it says text generated. Okay. So you see, hello, you cannot type at the same speed as you speak. So it is a good way to type faster. It types at the same speed as we speak. And now let's suppose I want to change the text into AI generated speech. We can do that also. For that, I have created another app. This I have pinned to the taskbar. Okay, I will close this one. Yes, here this is the app. The name of this app is Audio. Here I have kept a text file. So this text file says, hello everyone, welcome to this session. Let me provide you with a detailed idea. Okay. Now, if I click on this icon, it will run the app Audio. So after clicking, you will see this new window. It says audio generated. Okay. Now we close this one and we see that a new MP3 file has been created.
Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Let me provide you with a detailed idea.
Okay. Now we can add another thing also. Let's change this one. Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Let me provide you with a detailed idea. Okay. So basically it is a okay. Let's save this one. I will change this audio file. I'll change this name or otherwise it will get overwritten. We will name it output. Okay, now this text file is changed. Now let's run the audio app once again. Okay, so audio is again generated. I'll close this one also. And now this is the new file.
So basically it is a text to audio converter.
Now I will change the name of this one also. I will change this to out. Okay, now this I will use this app. This is called audio merger. It will merge these two mp3 files together and will create a combined audio. Let's see. Okay, you see it has created this g file. The name of this file is g. It is an mp3 file. So let's run this one.
Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Let me provide you with a detailed idea. So basically it is a text to audio converter.
Okay, so with this I end this video. Hope you like it. Thank you.